for someone that works hard and knows the value of hard work. Someone that knows it's important to have the right tools for the job. So when you need a nice cold beverage fast, you reach for the Chill Bit drill bit. It works within a drill and attaches to both cans and bottles. The Chill Bit spins your drink in ice, making a lukewarm beverage ice cold 20 times faster than conventional methods. It even works with wine. The Chill Bit. No fizz, no waiting, no worries.
Eat delicious food and lose weight. Sound impossible? It's not. Science and real-world results have shown that the ketogenic diet is a highly effective way to lose weight, and now it's more popular than ever. The problem is that it's hard to do effectively. You don't know what to eat, and you don't know how you're doing because of the lack of feedback. Until now. Introducing Keto. Keto enables you to optimize your weight with an entirely new program that's fun and easy to use.
On keto, you eat low-carb, high-fat foods, also known as the ketogenic diet. And this allows weight loss while eating the foods you love. Many people report improved energy, deeper sleep, and some say they have better mental focus. And by using keto, they know what foods to eat to reach their health goals.
Keto is easy. The breath analyzer shows your keto level, which gives you rapid feedback on how you're doing and how much fat you're burning. And the app gives you guidance on what to do and what to eat based on your keto level. It's really that simple.
To lose weight, it's critical to get the right feedback. With keto, one breath tells you everything you need to know. Depending on your body type, you can expect to lose about 5% of your weight in the first 5 weeks. A lot of people in the pilot have lost even more.
Keto is great because it shows me that the foods that I love to eat, I can still eat. I get to eat cheese and I lose weight. I get to eat avocado and lose weight.
When I started the ketogenic diet, I started losing weight and then it just stopped. I had no idea why. Then I started using keto and it completely changed the way that I took in food.
We found that people who did keto with friends had better success and more fun. Because of this, we built in social challenges as a core component of the keto app.
I like it a lot. I'm on the app all the time. I either compare myself to my buddies or, keeping some friends honest, that kind of thing.
It's really great having someone else on the app with me. Keto's a great program and it really helps me stay focused to those fitness goals I set for myself.
I get people coming up to me, hey, you're looking good, dude. What are you doing to diet or work out? And I get to tell them about the keto program.
By using keto, you can lose weight, eat delicious foods you love, and have fun while improving your health. Try keto today and take control of your life.